Welcome viewer, I am Regedit. This video tutorial describes, Windows 10 time is automatically changing. First method is right-click taskbar, click Adjust Date Time. Turn on Set Time automatically. Turn on Set Time Zone automatically. Click Sync now. Second method is type Regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click time zone information. Right-click New, D-word 32-bit value. Type real time is universal, R, T, I and U are capital letters. Change value data to 1. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. Third method is type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Open Windows Time. Change startup type to automatic. Start the service, apply, OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.